Attention, it's your boy Sergeant here with a new part of one of my favorite what ifs. What if Deku was a slime? I don't have much charge left, so let's get into it where we left off. But you are old. Don't test me, Izuku. I have a taser after the numerous attempts of me trying to discipline you didn't work. Yeah. Alright, bye, recovery girl. Better. Hey, little listener, are you okay? Yeah, I am now. So, was that about your visit with your father? I guess you can call it that. You could call it me taking out my rage on something that cannot feel pain whatsoever. Power Loader jumped into the conversation. Actually, I programmed them to feel pain. Why? Yamada asked. I was drunk. Thank you, Power Loader. I really needed that, and now that you told me those things feel pain, it makes me feel like I'm back in the old days, working with Dad. As Izuku takes off his fedora and looks at it, was that hat also from your dad? Yeah, it was, before he disowned me. As Izuku placed it back on his head. Even though that he hates me now, and I kinda do as well. We're still family after all. I did join UA for him after all, so I can never truly hate him. Don't you agree? Eh, I kinda get it. As Nessie walks out, splendid. That must have taken a lot out of you. Do you wanna take a rest in your fish tank? Yeah, I think I would like that. After that whole fiasco, I'm struggling to keep a neutral pH right now. I'm generally trying not to put my pH into a 14 right now, so I can literally burn the skin of fucking everybody. Not melt, burn. Oh no. Yeah, I'm going to the fish tank right now. I'm going to my sewer system. As Izuku goes down the nearest sewer drain he can find. Good night. It's 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 12:10 p.m. Bang, as Aizawa walked in. The kid has the right idea. It's sleeping time. As Aizawa pulls out his sleeping bag and just sleeps on the concrete floor. Aizawa, why? As Yamada just picks him up and tries to go to his classroom to let him sleep in there at least. We go back to Izuku. He is back in his fish tank. It's relatively bigger than the one in the principal's office. That one is meant to be a little bit smaller so he can actually see and pay attention. But in this fin tank, he can just flow around and relax. And once in a while, water flows in so his body can maintain a neutral pH. I can't wait until I graduate this fucking school. Then I'll have the freedom to do whatever I want. Future Slimy Zuko. Oh, ho, oh, you poor bastard. It's not the school that is gonna control you in the future. It's the goddamn Hero Commission. I cannot wait to burn the Hero Commission into the ground. Going back to the present one day later, Izuku does a little bit of training and and decides to play a prank on one of the students in the school. He snuck he went into the sewer system and just waited for somebody to turn on the sink. And then as soon as they before they realize he was there, he'll jump into their throat and then eat their last meal. Izuku does that. But except it wasn't the boys' bathroom. It was the girls. And and the person he was trying to steal the lunch from was the electricity girl from the last time, which he proceeded to she proceeded to electrocute the shit out of him until he melted onto the drain. Fuck you, Kaiko! Izuku, you should know the navigation of this school better. I've only lived here for fucking 10 months. Give me a fucking break. Yeah, and I learned the navigation of this school in like, I don't know, 5 months? You're a goddamn liar, and you're a goddamn liar. Nezu purposely designs this school to be a goddamn maze, and that goes along with the sewer system. Yeah, you're getting detention. Fuck you too, as Izuku completely drains into the sink. As Izuku gets called to the principal's office. Izuku, why? I was bored. When people are bored, they play board games. At least that's what normal people do. If you want some villain entertainment, I have a bunch of torture rooms from the Hero Commission. You could probably interrogate some of the perpetrators, but that is gonna be a hard ass for me for the Hero Commission, and they already don't want me to do anything with hero politics, so just act like a normal person and let the crazy people be crazy. I mean, the crazy people that are not human, which is me. Okay. Yeah, yeah, you're gonna be The janitor is tired of your shit, so I think a funny punishment is to, make you be the janitor. Are you serious? Yes, I am. Now pump yourself up with new chemicals and try not to produce more spawn. That was not me, that was my dad. After injecting some chemicals, am I correct or not? Ah, good. Now there are some quirk-proof and liquid-proof clothing in in the closet of where your tank is. So please get the clothes. Fine. Also, make sure you don't drip yourself everywhere. God damn it. And that's what Izuku does. He cleans the halls of UA, sometimes using his quirk to make the job more easier for the harder stains. And then a lot of the teachers make fun of him for it. Midnight continues to flirt with him. It's exhausting. And then the first day of UA arrives, where Izuku is finally relieved of his janitor duties, and Nezu finally hired a new janitor, and Izuku goes to Class 1A, where he can mess with his favorite sleepy teacher. Oh, he wouldn't forgive Aizawa for the coffee stains all over the wooden table and the coffee machine. It was so fucking dirty. Izuku shuddered. Okay, this is part 4 of What If Deku had a slime quirk. A more accurate title would be What if Izuku was the mitosis of the sludge villain and had a pH quirk, but I'm not doing that, and slime quirk gets more views anyway, so I'm sort of tricking people at the same time to get more views. Anyway, bye. Tell me a prank that Izuku could commit, and then I'll do a deviation of that. Bye.